into the region because of massive waves preventing any ships from going anywhere. All right, now taking a look at a much quieter day locally. Pinpoint Weather 12 now, bringing in meteorologist Pete Mangione. Pete, it was a doozy of a day yesterday, calm this morning, but what can we expect for the weekend ahead?
Well, Kate, it looks chilly. That's what I can tell you right now as temperatures stay just around freezing for high temperatures into the afternoon. Let's get you to a nice scene here in Newport. Now, of course, it was northern Rhode Island, at least for our area, that was the jackpot of the snow. But hey, Newport, you did get some snow, and you can still see some snow on the ground there. And our three key things break down like this. A chilly weekend is ahead. There will be a chance of some rain and snow on the way for Sunday. Should not be a big deal. And then we are watching next week for a few offshore systems. Now notice how I said offshore. So right now the forecast is actually dry, but should those sneak in a little further to the west, then that could alter things. But right now it looks like these will stay just offshore into next week. Our temperatures are still cold, 28 in Smithfield, 28 in Providence, 28 Westerly, 31 Block Island, 32 for the Vineyard. And there is a breeze. We're out of the north at 15 miles an hour in Smithfield, 12 in Providence. We have a breeze from the north in Newport at 14 miles an hour and 12 in Westerly. So that is making it feel pretty cold too. 17 your feel like in Smithfield, 18 Providence, 22 in New Bedford, 17 in Newport. So the hat and gloves, maybe not a bad option this afternoon. We did have some ocean effect snow showers out across Cape Cod earlier. You can now see those are starting to fizzle away. And our weather pattern showing high pressure generally in control. What this means is some breezes coming in out of the north today. But as we expand the view, there are several pieces of energy that I'm watching. We have low pressure here in Canada. We have more energy coming into the northwestern part of the United States. And as these pass through over the weekend, it will give us a chance for some rain and maybe a few snow showers on Sunday. Shouldn't be a big deal, but the chance will be there. This afternoon, we're talking about partly sunny skies. We've been socked in with the clouds for a good part of the morning. I do anticipate some clearing, getting to around freezing. 5 p.m. we're down into the 20s, and by 8 p.m. 20 in Providence, but you could easily have some locations dipping into the mid to upper teens at that point. Our overnight low in Providence down to 15 with mostly clear skies. You get out into places like Taunton, West Greenwich, you could easily slip into the low teens or even the upper single digits. It's pretty easy for these temperatures to bottom out overnight, especially when we have a blanket of snow on the ground. Let's move on to Sunday afternoon. So this is during the afternoon. If we do have a chance of precipitation, it's likely not to arrive until pretty late in the day. But you can see 4 or 5 p.m. Chance of some rain and snow showers should exit relatively rapidly Sunday night to Monday. Now, I mentioned the chance of an offshore system Monday into Monday night. We're going to fast forward to that time frame. There it is. So when we see storms in this position, we just have to make sure it doesn't drift a little closer to us, and that would alter our forecast. Again, right now we have a dry forecast, but it's something we will monitor. In the 7-day forecast, you'll see it is a cold start to the weekend. In fact, tomorrow we start off at 15 degrees, a decent afternoon with temperatures in the mid-30s, mostly sunny skies. You can see the temperatures gradually increase throughout the late morning and afternoon, but they really never get all that high, probably mid-30s at 1, 2 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. Then on Sunday, rain and snow showers moving in during the late part of the day. Then on Monday, there's the offshore storm that we're watching. Right now, it looks dry for the most part until maybe late on Christmas Eve, where that looks more like a potential rainmaker rather than the snowmaker. And I will tell you, Santa does not care about rain. Santa has no problem with rain or snow, so we should point that out. You can always get more updates on our website at WPRI.com. Oh, right. I didn't mean to leave you, Kate. I guess I was supposed to say here, so I will toss it back to you.
Thanks, Pete.
Yes.